Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
This is English in Daily Life, and today's topic is on the phone.
Yes, phone English. Very useful, very real.
We all talk on the phone, right? Friends, family, work, delivery calls.
But sometimes English on the phone feels difficult.
Don't worry. We will practice slowly.
Simple words, real examples.
Listen first, then we discuss, then you listen again.
And you will feel more confident. Good job already.
Before we start, quick reminder. Like this podcast, subscribe, and share with a friend learning English.
All right, let's begin. Phone English practice.
Topic 1, starting a phone call. Okay, David, let's start with the beginning.
Yes, starting a phone call.
The most common phrase is very simple.
Hello.
Exactly. Just hello with a friendly voice.
Listen again. Hello.
Now another common sentence.
Hi, this is David.
Good. You say your name.
Repeat with me. Hi, this is David.
Listeners, you try. Say your name.
Good job. That sounds great.
Another useful sentence.
May I speak to Jelly, please?
Repeat slowly. May I speak to Jelly, please?
This is polite English.
Very useful for work and formal calls.
Topic 2. Asking who is calling.
Now, what if you answer the phone?
Good question. You can say, who's calling, please?
Simple and polite.
Listen again. Who's calling, please?
Another easy option.
Can I ask who's calling?
Repeat that.
Nice. You're improving already.
Topic 3, saying someone is not available right now.
Now, real life situation.
Someone calls, but the person is not there.
Very common. You can say, sorry, he's not available right now.
Repeat slowly. Not available right now.
Good.
Another simple one.
She's busy at the moment.
Busy at the moment. Easy.
Listeners, say it once.
Perfect. Topic 4, asking to call back.
Now, let's ask for a call back.
This is very useful.
Can you call back later?
Repeat, call back later.
Another friendly sentence.
I'll call you back in 10 minutes.
Even if you don't say time, it's okay.
You can say, I'll call you back soon.
Simple English, real English.
Topic 5, phone call problems.
Yes, phone problems happen a lot.
Common sentence number 1.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Repeat, I can't hear you.
Another one.
The line is bad.
Short and useful.
You can also say,
can you speak louder, please?
Good job if you repeated that.
Topic 6. Ending a phone call.
Now the ending.
Very important to end politely.
Simple sentence.
Thank you for calling.
Repeat, thank you for calling. Another friendly line.
Talk to you later.
Casual, friendly. And the classic one, bye, have a nice day.
Perfect.
Listen, discuss, listen again, mini dialogue. Now let's listen to a short phone conversation.
Just listen first.
Hello?
Hi, this is David. May I speak to Jelly, please?
Speaking.
Sorry, the line is bad. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. I'll call you back later.
Okay, talk to you later.
Now, let's discuss.
We heard greeting, problem, and ending.
Very natural, very real.
Now listen again and repeat after us.
Repeat the same dialogue slowly. Excellent. That was really good.
Topic 7, leaving a message. Okay, David, next situation.
Yes, someone does not answer the phone.
Very common in real life.
And we leave a message.
Simple sentence first.
Can I leave a message?
Repeat with me. Leave a message.
Good job.
Another useful line.
Please tell him to call me back.
Call me back. Easy.
Listeners, say it once.
Nice. That was clear. Topic 8. Asking someone to repeat.
Now, sometimes we don't understand.
That's okay. It happens.
Never feel shy.
Use this sentence.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Repeat slowly. Repeat that.
Another friendly option.
Can you say that again, please?
Very polite.
You're learning real English now. Topic 9. Checking information.
Next, checking details.
Very important on phone calls.
Example sentence.
Let me check.
Short. Useful.
Another one.
Can you spell your name, please?
Spell your name.
Listeners, repeat.
Great pronunciation. Topic 10. Making an appointment on the phone.
Now, appointments.
Doctor, meeting, service call.
Simple sentence first.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Repeat slowly.
Good.
Another useful line.
Is tomorrow okay for you?
Very natural English.
You can use this anywhere. Topic 11. Confirming details.
Now, confirm information.
This avoids mistakes.
Sentence 1.
So the time is 5 p.m.
Repeat, the time is.
Another line.
The address is correct, right?
Correct, right?
Excellent listening.
Topic 12. Being polite on the phone,
Politeness is very important.
especially in English. Magic word,
Please.
and another one.
Thank you.
Good manners, good English.
Simple sentences sound better. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Now, listen carefully.
No speaking yet, just listen.
Hello?
Hi, this is David. Can I leave a message?
Yes, sure.
Please tell her to call me back.
Okay. Can you repeat your number?
Yes, it's 9876.
Got it. I'll tell her.
Now let's discuss.
We heard message, repeat, and confirmation.
Very real conversation.
Now, listen again and repeat.
Wow, that was very good.
Topic 13. Leaving a voicemail. David, sometimes no one answers the phone.
Yes, then we hear a voicemail.
Voicemail means we can speak after the beep.
Simple sentence first.
Hi, this is Jelly.
Repeat slowly, this is.
Good.
Next sentence.
I'm calling about the meeting.
Calling about. Very useful.
Last part.
Please call me back. Thank you.
Short, polite, clear.
Listeners, repeat the full message.
Great job. That sounded natural. Topic 14. Saying the reason for your call. Now, let's say why we are calling.
Very important on phone calls.
Simple sentence.
I'm calling to ask a question.
Repeat, calling to ask. Another example.
I'm calling about my order.
Order, delivery, service, same pattern.
You're learning patterns. That's great.
Topic 15. Talking about a problem.
Now, real life.
Problems happen.
Don't worry, use calm English.
Simple sentence first.
There is a small problem.
Repeat, small problem. Another useful line.
My order is late.
Late means not on time.
You can also say,
I need help with this.
very polite English.
Topic 16. Asking for a solution.
After the problem, ask for help.
Yes, be clear and calm.
Try this sentence.
Can you help me, please?
Repeat slowly.
Good. Another option.
What can we do now?
Friendly question, not rude. Topic 17. Saying sorry on the phone.
Now, let's say sorry.
Very common word. Simple sorry.
I'm sorry about that.
Repeat, sorry about that.
Another one.
Sorry for the problem.
Soft voice helps.
Good English is also about tone. Topic 18. Asking someone to wait.
Now, imagine this situation.
You need time to check something.
You can say,
Please hold on.
hold on means wait.
Another polite sentence.
Can you wait a moment, please?
Moment means short time.
Very natural English.
Topic 19. Transferring a call.
Now, phone at office.
You transfer the call.
Use this sentence.
I'll transfer your call.
Repeat, transfer your call.
Another helpful line.
Please stay on the line.
Stay on the line means don't hang up. Topic 20. Taking a message.
Now, someone is not available.
You take a message.
Simple question.
Can I take a message?
Repeat slowly.
Good. Next sentence.
What is your number?
Clear and simple. Topic 21. Repeating numbers clearly.
Numbers on phone are tricky.
Yes. Speak slowly.
Example.
My number is 9876.
Say one number at a time.
You can also say,
Let me repeat the number.
very helpful. Topic 22. Confirming everything again.
Before ending, confirm.
This avoids mistakes.
Use this sentence.
So, I will call you tomorrow.
Repeat, I will call you.
Another one.
The time is correct, right?
Perfect. Topic 23. Ending a formal phone call.
Now, formal ending.
Work calls, service calls.
Try this.
Thank you for your time.
Very professional.
Another line.
Have a nice day.
Always sounds good. Listen, discuss, listen again. Long dialogue.
Now listen carefully.
Just listen first. Hello?
Hi, this is David. I'm calling about my order.
Okay, what is the problem?
My order is late.
I'm sorry about that. Can you wait a moment, please?
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. I will check.
Okay.
I'll call you back later today.
Great. Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
Now let's discuss.
We heard reason, problem, sorry, waiting, and ending.
Real daily English.
Now listen again and repeat slowly. Repeat full dialogue with pauses.
Excellent. Really excellent.
Extra practice. Call yourself.
Now a small challenge.
Practice alone. Call yourself in English.
Say hello.
Say the reason.
Say thank you.
Simple practice, big result. Wrap up.
Let's recap key phrases.
I'm calling about.
There is a small problem.
Can you help me, please?
Please hold on.
I'll call you back.
These are real phone sentences.
Use them this week.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
You are improving every day.
Now tell us in the comments.
What was your last phone call about? Let's recap today.
Can I leave a message?
Can you repeat that?
I'd like to make an appointment.
So the time is...
These phrases help in daily life.
Practice them today.
Speak slowly, don't rush.
You're improving step by step.
Now tell us in the comments.
Who do you usually call first in the morning? Let's quickly recap today's key phrases.
Hello, this is...
May I speak to?
He's not available right now.
I'll call you back later.
I can't hear you.
Talk to you later.
These are simple phrases.
But very powerful for daily life.
Practice them again today.
Speak slowly. Be confident.
You're doing great, really.
Now our question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
Who do you talk to most on the phone?
A friend? Family? Work?
Write one sentence in English.
We read your comments. We care.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye. Keep practicing English.